What's going on, everybody on YouTube? This your boy, the Vintage Man, and we are back with yet another unboxing, man. And yes, this is the long anticipated wait of me actually unboxing this joint. Had for a couple days, but I've been a little busy, man. I've been a little busy with work. No excuses. We're gonna get this video out to you guys, showing y'all one of my latest pickups. And some of y'all won't be surprised by this unboxing right here, man. So before we get to today's video, you already know what I need you to do. If you're new, subscribe right now to the channel so everybody else actually do. You know, it's of course to help us reach our next goal. And of course, for you guys to join the Vintage Squad, man. And please, this video with a huge like today. The goal for this video is 300 likes, and we are less than 400 subscribers away from 50,000 subscribers, man. So please, if you're new, join the family. You will definitely enjoy the content. Go back and check out some of the older content we have posted. And I'm pretty sure the content on the channel would definitely please you to your needs, man. And another thing, guys, it's a special day. The merch, UNKWN Collections, the first drop ever, is happening tonight. So you can head to the site right now, support your boy. First journey in this clothing industry. We have the UNKWN Collection hats. We have some UNKWN Collection hoodies and a bunch of other stuff for you guys to go and purchase, man. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the products. I'm gonna jump right into this dope unboxing straight from the Nike sneakers. So we have a wide variety of the different color hats, the UNKWN caps. We have some hoodies like this. Check it out, and it's like nice tannish color with the UNKWN on the front. We also have the same kind of tan hoodies with the mask on the back. Put a couple pictures up here. We have the same vintage wash hoodie and the black with the UNKWN on the front right there. Super dope. And we also have the purple vintage wash, one of the ones that everybody's been looking at on the site. I see what y'all like, and y'all really enjoyed that purple acid wash vibe to it, the vintage wash with the UNKWN on the front. This is just some stuff to get out the name UNKWN Collections. We're definitely gonna keep rocking out, bring you guys different designs, bring you guys different styles, and I hope everybody enjoys what we bring to the table, man. All right, so let's get right into today's unboxing straight from the Nike sneakers app. We're gonna get right into it. It's got a lot to talk about with these joints right here, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, the homie Allen, the homie KBK was like, he said you can't hit on the initial release of these cool grades if you had already hit on the shock drop. And I was like, nah, bro, I hit on the shock drop. Everybody see me hit on the shock drop, and I actually hit again live on these cool gray 11s, man. So this is what we got inside. We ain't gonna do no hype up to it, cause y'all should know. Your boy been cooking up these cool gray 11s. You guys see I have a couple pairs over here. We have yet another pair inside the box. Check it out, Jordan up top. This is a size 9 Air Jordan 11 Retro medium gray multicolor multi. You guys see me show you this shoe so many times now, and I know y'all like, damn, this dude keep getting cool grades. Yes, I am. I love these shoes. I was so happy when they came out. And the excitement, the hype has pretty much died down because, hey, I have a couple pairs over here, man. So here you have it, another pair of cool grays. Check them out, check them out. As soon as we hit that 50,000 subscriber mark, we're giving a pair of cool gray 11s away for free. All you gotta do is follow the rules in the Air Jordan 11 giveaway video, and I might drop them down below as well. Actually, I'm going to drop the rules down below in the description box, so you can win a free pair of Air Jordan 11 cool grays as soon as we hit that 50,000 subscriber mark, man. So some things that I want to talk about in today's video is the actual restock that happened on the FLX app. So some people went in, they put in for the extra head starts and all that good stuff for the restock that select locations did, like Foot Locker and Champs Sports, for these cool gray 11s, and they refunded a lot of people for the men's sizes. So I kind of feel like that had to do with inventory issues. Some shoes that they thought was going to be there wasn't, so they started refunding people's points. But it was a lot of GS sizes that was out there, and I was actually able to hit on another pair of GS size. It was actually for the homie. His wife, he needed a pair, and he already has them joined. So it was a lot of GS sizes. It seemed like not a lot of men's pairs. They started refunding a lot of people points. But yes, the Air Jordan 11s restocked on the FLX app, and I definitely think that's going to be another restock on the sneakers app sometime soon, with being like a Jordan Reserve or something like that. We've been seeing this happen every single year. I don't need to go saying like, how do you know? Because it's been happening every time. Like, we always get restocks. We always get restocks for the biggest releases of the year. And of course, these cool grays definitely lived up to the hype for one of those, you know, most anticipated, most hyped up releases in a year. So I got to give my hats off to Jordan Brand. They really killed it. They gave a lot of pairs to people. Hopefully everybody out there was able to get at least one pair. I was able to get altogether 5 pairs of these Cougar 11s. I'm not gonna keep all of them. I might sit on 1 or 2 But after that, I'm gonna start, you know what I'm saying, selling them all because I don't need to sit on these pairs. I'm not a reseller, but I have resold sneakers, if that makes sense to you. Another thing, man, the Air Jordan 1 Patent Breds are live on the sneakers app right now. For December the 30th, they are still releasing. I know y'all probably like, what? Yes, the Air Jordan 1 Patent Breds are still releasing. They're on the sneakers app right now, December 30th, you know, all size ranges. They will be retailing for $170, but when I seen this right here, I was like, ain't no way these are still releasing after everybody put out the information that they are getting pushed back. So they still might be getting pushed back in some locations, some stores and stuff like that. But the sneakers app is still dropping these Air Jordan 1 Patent Bred. So make sure you guys are ready. Make sure you guys update your app. If you don't see them, just gonna say close it out, refresh it, shut your phone down, whatever you gotta do to be able to see these joints on your sneakers app, man. So these joints right here is definitely a must for me. If you guys know the story, a couple years back when they dropped in 2016, I didn't buy them. I didn't pay for resale. I didn't do anything. I just skipped those, and I kept saying that the resale was gonna drop, which it didn't. They're going for damn near $1,000 in every single size. So hopefully these Patent Breds, I can get them in the collection, and this suffice for me not getting the Air Jordan 1 Breds back in 2016. So hopefully the resale starts to die down now, because you know, usually when a release gets pushed back, resellers are charging, or backdoors are charging, you know, $600-700 for a shoe, even though it's probably a lot of pairs of these joints. And now the resale is gonna start dying down just a tad bit because they are releasing in 2 weeks. So like I said, download the J23 app, download SoLinks. Those are my two go-tos, and whenever like a shock drop or exclusive access happens, you guys will be notified. Definitely think there's going to be an exclusive access probably the week prior to the release for these Patent Breds. So like I said, be ready, stay tuned, have a notification bell on this channel as well, so you guys know when these Patent Breds is releasing, because these joints is fire, and it's definitely gonna be some problems for these joints right here. I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. Like I said, please let me know down below in the comment section if you're gonna go support the UNKWN Collections line. I will link it down below. Take you straight to the website, purchase some things, help your boy out, and let me know if you have some pairs of these Cougar 11s, because I know in the last video it was a lot of people saying they got like 10, 20. I seen somebody say they got 55 pairs of Cougar 11s. I was like, yo, that's crazy. 55 pairs is a little bit overkill. But please let me know how you did for the Cougar 11s. It's not gonna be the last time you hear me talking about these. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more restocks, and it's definitely gonna be a Jordan Reserve on the Nike Sneakers app. Subscribe to the channel right now if you're new. Like I said, we're trying to hit that 50,000 subscribers. We're less than, I think, 400 away from that goal, and it'll be so much if we hit that before the end of the year. Head over to IG, give away a follow at The Real to Vintage. And with all that being said, man, I hope you guys already smacked that like button, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.